What? You gonna let go, Mom? Let go my hand. Let go and sit up like a big girl.
That's when police were called in. They didn't realize the pair may be in a minivan. The Seminole County deputy found that van behind a nearby shop.
Pepe.
Marchese rammed that.
What?
Ended in English here in the county when he crashed the van and then ran away from the scene. The little boy was inside. He was not seriously hurt in that.
Pepe.
Marchese has a sense of criminal
And
charges for robbery charges. Brittany Higgs, the boy's mother, simply describes the man as a family acquaintance.
What?
It's the very latest on scene in
You gonna let go?
Jason Wheeler.
Yeah? Ah? You in your blue jeans? And your new sockies? You in your blue jeans and your new sockies? What is today, Pepe? Pepe, what is today? Oh, really? November 17th? Ah? Ah? And how old are you, Pepe? No! I'm getting old. Oh, yeah? And you're 6.5 months old? Pepe Lynn? Princess. You got drool. Mommy's, can you let go of Mommy's hand? Let go of Mommy's hand so you can sit up like a big girl? All by yourself? Oh, really? Hey, look at Mommy. Pepe. Pepe. Dada. Dada. No, you're not gonna do it. Paylin. Pepe. Dada. You gonna let go of Mommy's hand again? Oh, I guess not. Paylin, here, let go. Let go of Mommy's hand. Let go. You're a big girl. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Whoop. Well, not when you turn around to watch TV. Pepe. Ah. 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 What was that? Dada? Da-ah? Daddy went to work. Daddy's at work. Yeah. Here, let go. Sit up like a big girl. No, you're gonna. I see you leaning as soon as I go to let go. You're not even. You're doing it all on your own. You're holding on to me. Mommy's a security blanket right now, I guess. Yeah. Let go. Let go. Here. Pepe, show Mima how big girl you are. There you go. Hi, Mima. Hey, look, I stayed up on my own, Mima. Pepe, say hi. Hi. That'll work. Hi. Oh, you puked. Good thing it didn't go on your clothes. We're getting ready to go to park. Whoop. Okay, hold on. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pepe. Ah? Say bye-bye. 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 No, nothing.